This tutorial will explain you how to work with the sounds in Adobe Flash CS6 by ActionScript and with the library. In here we have two buttons, there are a few sounds, and also we have a play a sound according to this Adobe Flash movie. So let's take a look about how to do this one. According to this Adobe Flash movie, I have 3 sound clips inside of my resources. So I'm going to open Adobe Flash and get the ActionScript 3 file with 1280 and 720 dimensions, and set the background here by importing this image to my library. Align this background here. After that, I'm going to save my FLA file, the Flash file, and create a button in here. In this button I'm going to change a few kind of setting, because this button have the stroke in here, and after that create this stroke in my postage, up or down and hit, but only the middle part will be available on the hit stage, and I'm deleted the middle part in up, over and down stage, and add the text in here as the play text. In my main stage I'm going to add the play in here. Now you can see my button in here, and after that I'm creating a new layer as the sound layer. So I'm going to add separate keyframes to up, over, down and hit stage, and drag and drop my sound clips into the over and down stages in this button. You can hear the sound of this button, and I'm going to duplicate this button and add another duplicate button onto the stage, and I'm going to change the text as stop. You can hear the sound, and going to name those buttons as BTN play and BTN stop, and also I'm going to add the action layer to play the music. First of all, I'm creating a sound object as the sound file with the sound class, and second one I'm creating a channel to control this sound as the SND channel. It is a sound channel, and load the sound file into the sound file object. This is my sound file, summer music, with the new URL request. I'm going to load this music, then debug this. There are no errors. And after that I'm going to create a tune listener to the BTN play button, and there is a function FN sound. Create the function in here, FN sound function. According to this FN sound function, I'm going to get the SND channel, my sound channel, and it is equal to sound file.play. And now you can hear the music will play in my stage with this ActionScript. And after that I'm going to write down another event to the BTN stop, but it is the same function FN sound. So I'm going to use the if function with the current target equal to BTN play. If user click BTN play button, sound will play in, or user click the BTN stop button, sound will stop. Now sound will play and sound stopped. After this situation, I can play this music clip in the background. You have to add this code before the function. You can hear the music in the background without any kind of interactivity by the user, but it will be played for the one time without repeating, because this is a 15-second audio clip. If you have to repeat this one for unlimited, I will call it a loop. You have to write down enter 0,909. So it will be loop. It is loop and it will be play for the unlimited times in the background. But this example there is some kind of mistakes, because when I click on the play button twice, this sound will be overlapping in here. So avoid this overlapping, I'm going to stop my playing sound with the play button. So now you can see there are no kind of mistakes. So this is the thing, or this is the work, how to work with the sounds in Adobe Flash CS6 through the ActionScript part.